Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks so much for joining me today. Today I am hopping along with my fellow design team members for the Not Too Shabby shop to celebrate the release of the Stamp and Die of the Month, which is a super adorable stamp and die set with these cows, and they have all sorts of things in their hands. This set is called Picnic Pals. You can get the stamp set itself, or you can get the stamp and die combo. What I love about the dies is that the dies cut out the sentiments so beautifully, and I think it's totally worth it just for that. And today's video is also part of a hop. So Jamie, who is the owner of the Not Too Shabby shop, does a hop every month for the stamp and die, as well as a box of the month. And that includes a giveaway for $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. So for all of that information, I will talk a little bit about it during the video, as well as leave the information below. And so I also purchased the paper pads. Jamie does have a paper pad subscription, so you get two 6x6 paper pads. And for the month of August, it is Pink Roses and Just Grillin'. And the Just Grillin' fits so perfectly with the cows, I just had to get it. So I went ahead and grabbed that. I am also following today a challenge, and it's called Kendra's Card Challenge. And basically it is a challenge to use 6 double-sided 6x6 papers and make 15 cards out of it. And I will leave the information for that challenge below. And Kendra has a really awesome video on her channel where she explains the challenge and what you need to do. She also has printouts that you can print out that gives you the exact measurements of the paper and where the placement and the card sketches. It was a super fun challenge to participate in, and anybody can do it, and she actually has prizes as well. And so I went ahead and I cut everything up and I organized it, and I put each set of papers in these little 6x6 plastic pockets just to keep everything organized. And so I'm just going to go through about 8 of the cards, the process for them. These are really easy. All I'm doing is I'm looking at the card sketches and putting the cards together, but I thought I'd go ahead and show just a few of them so you kind of get the idea if you're not sure how to do it. But as I mentioned, Kendra has a wonderful video on her channel where she explains everything, and it's a really fun a way to create a bunch of cards. It is also, I find, using sketches a really a great way if you're stuck or creatively stuck, or you're not really sure what to do. I think card sketches are a great way to kind of get that creativity flowing, because it allows you to kind of see a layout that you can follow, and it doesn't take a lot of other than kind of coordinating the pattern paper and the colors together. It doesn't really take, you know, anything other than just looking at the sketch and putting the card together, but it also allows you to put your own kind of stamp on things and kind of embellish it how you want. And it is a great way to use up some of those enamel dots and stickles and just these little embellishments that I find anyhow that I don't use too often, and card sketches are a great way to kind of use those up. But I won't lie, this was a process, and it did take me, anyhow, quite a bit of time to kind of coordinate the papers that I wanted, and cut the papers, and do the layouts, and do all of the coloring. So it is a great way to spend a weekend. And it's actually really enjoyable, though I haven't made a series of cards or a kind of a mass-produced series of cards video in quite a while, and so this was really fun to do. And I absolutely love these pattern papers from the Not Too Shabby shop and these cows. And I basically I stamped out all of my cows and then tried to look at the paper and coordinate some of the colors with the pattern paper that I was using. And then I just pulled everything out of the little pockets that I had everything in, looked at the card sketch, and started doing my matting and adhering all of the pieces together. And so really easy to do and really enjoyable as well. And while I'm finishing up these last few cards, I wanted to correct, I think I said the name of the stamp set is Picnic Pals, but it is actually Picnic Cows, which makes sense. And so I wanted to mention that. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the giveaway. The giveaway is from today, August 7th through the August 13th, and the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby Shop YouTube channel, so be sure to head over there and subscribe. There is a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby Shop. And all you have to do is click on the RAFFLECOPTER link that is listed in the description below, and that is how you enter the giveaway. But myself, as well as all of the other participants in the hop today, would love it if you would go ahead and leave a comment. Let us know what you think, what your favorite card or cards were, or maybe even which of the cows is your favorite. I can't really pick a favorite. I love the little ant with the watermelon, but I also really love the ones with the chips and all of the stuff that one is holding. So it's kind of a hard choice. They are all so adorable. To follow the participants in the hop, there is a hashtag in the description as well as the title. It is N2S Picnic Cows. All you have to do is click on that, and that will bring up all of the videos in the hop today. These are all of the remaining cards that I didn't show the process for, but these are all the sketches from the card challenge. I think that is it. I will again leave links for the products that I used today below. And that is it for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it or find it informative, please go ahead and give a thumbs up. And as always, I thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you next time.